my little closet.
Hello guys, welcome back to my little closet. Today in my little closet we have a picnic and my little helpers are here to help me unbox these SlimyGloop.
Hi!
Are you guys excited for your little picnic that we have here?
Yes! Yes!
We have here what?
A rainbow waffle.
A rainbow waffle. What do you have?
Galaxy jelly.
Jelly sandwich, and you have
a sandwich that's ice cream.
Once you open it, it looks like this. Ooh, how cool.
We have some rainbow waffles.
Are they squishy?
Well, they're plastic.
They're not squishy, they're just hard plastic. Here are the instructions. You have to open the slime, fold the slime, layer the slime, and just smush it all together.
So here's the slime packet, and here's our ingredients: some
sprinkles and some confetti. Oh, how cool they look.
I thought they were like squishies.
Yes, no, they're not squishy. They are hard plastic. Ooh. Let me see your slime, how it looks. You have a purple slime, and let's see what other sprinkles.
Silver star confetti.
Silver star confetti.
And also another kind of confetti.
What color is this one?
Blue.
Blue confetti. And if you look closely, it's moons and stars. Ooh.
Ooh, look at this.
Chocolate cookie ice cream. Ooh.
Yes. Whoa, rainbow.
Oh.
And some sprinkles.
Some Prinkles.
Sprinkles.
And
it's white.
And white
Ooh,
slime.
It has glitter. Cool.
Yes, it's glittery.
Ooh, it's really metallic, but it's not very stretchy. Okay.
Let me see. Yes, it's true. It's not very stretchy. Now, the purple slime is a little bit, stretchier and sticky. But it's very metallic, too.
Now, let's mix it here. Sprinkles.
Ooh,
Sprinkles.
more sprinkle. Whoa, that's a lot of sprinkles.
I put a lot of blue.
Okay, let's see over here. Oh, you put a lot of toppings.
Oh my! I will put the whole thing.
I think you have more glitter than slime.
Yes.
Where's the slime?
Going to squish it. Ew.
Now, are you ready to eat it?
Looks hairy. Now we'll squish.
Squish it.
Whoa! Look at her hand.
Let me see. Look at this. Ah,
Ooh, I want some
so glittery.
Hey, no. This is out of this world.
Ooh, your slime. I think it's the best one because it's so stretchy and all the glitter was absorbed. This one, it'll all fall off.
Now
Let's see it.
Put it here. Got my toast.
Ooh, nice.
Let me eat it.
I think it works depending on what slime you have. Ooh, look at this one. This one turned out real good.
Mine needs to fix.
This one, the slime is all hard. If we fix the slime, it could be better.
Here are all the decorations. My favorite one was the galaxy one.
Yes, that was one of my favorites too. The slime was so good.
My favorite was this one because the reason I like because there's a lot of confetti.
Yes, this is confetti bomb right here. And this one is a fail. It looks so hairy.
So hairy. Like hair.
I mean, we can fix them with a little bit of water. We can fix the slime. But other than that, it was so fun creating and playing with the slime. Okay, guys, remember to like,
ring the bell, subscribe, and
Until the next video. Bye.
Since the slime didn't work, we replaced it with this slime.
That's the slime that we made here. Ooh.
Oh, let's do that.
Add all of that confetti and sprinkles.
Whoa.
Now that's a good slime.
Gooder than a better. Could put it here.
And let's see.
Can't
You
find the bottom.
You cannot really tell because the slime is white and the plate is white. But look at this. Let's put it again.
Just have to pick it up quickly.
Let's put it there, the slime there. And squeeze.
Oh, ooh la la.